Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, where we dive into the most mind-bending mysteries of science that reshape how we see the world. Today we're embarking on an epic journey into the depths of the human mind, with a topic that sounds like sci-fi, but is backed by hard science: the energy of thought. Are scientists measuring the electromagnetic field generated by the brain? Have you ever wondered if your thoughts are more than fleeting images? Actual physical waves that can be captured, measured, and even used to shape reality? Can your ideas, emotions, and dreams create electromagnetic fields that extend beyond your skull and interact with the world? We'll explore the physics, neuroscience, quantum theory, and even touch on controversial ideas like thoughts influencing matter. Most importantly, you'll learn how to amplify your thought energy to become more productive, happier, and in harmony. Get ready for a true mind explosion. Let's dive in. What is the energy of thought? The scientific view. Let's start with the basics. What is a thought from a scientific perspective? Your brain is an incredible biological supercomputer with roughly 86 billion neurons connected by trillions of synapses. When you think, solve a problem, or imagine a sunset, neurons fire electrical impulses by moving ions across cell membranes. These impulses aren't just chemistry, they're electrical currents that, according to physics, generate electromagnetic fields, EMFs. Ampere's law states that any electric current creates a magnetic field perpendicular to its flow. In the brain, millions of neurons firing simultaneously produce a complex EMF that extends both inside and outside the skull. This isn't a hypothesis, it's a measurable reality, and scientists have been studying it for nearly a century. In 1929, German psychiatrist Hans Berger invented electroencephalography, EEG, to record the brain's electrical activity. By placing electrodes on the scalp, he detected rhythmic signals, brain waves that shift based on your state. These waves are classified by frequency: delta 0.5 to 4 Hz. Dominate during deep sleep when the brain repairs neural connections. Theta, 4 to 8 Hz, are active in meditation, dreams, or creative flow. Alpha, 8 to 12 Hz, emerge in relaxation, like when you close your eyes in distress. Beta, 12 to 30 Hz, accompany active tasks, like reading or debating. And gamma waves, 30 to 100 Hz, are linked to insights, deep focus, and integrating information across brain regions. These waves are direct proof that thoughts have an electrical nature, measurable via EEG. But EEG only captures the electrical side. The magnetic component of EMF requires more advanced tools. How do scientists measure the brain's EMF? To measure the brain's magnetic fields, scientists use magnetoencephalography, MEG, a technology that detects the faint magnetic signals produced by neural currents. MEG employs superconducting quantum interference devices, SQUIDs, cooled by liquid helium to pick up fields as weak as femtoteslas, 10 to the minus 15th Tesla. For comparison, Earth's magnetic field is about 50 microteslas, 10 to the minus 5 Teslas, meaning the brain's field is billions of times weaker. Yet MEG is so sensitive it can detect changes caused by a single thought, like imagining moving a finger or solving a math problem. Studies in Journal of Neuroscience confirm that the brain's EMF extends 5 to 10 centimeters beyond the skull, making it a measurable phenomenon that interacts with the external world. By 2025, EMF measurement tech has leaped forward. UT Health San Antonio launched a high-resolution scanner that visualizes brain EMF in real time, aiding diagnosis of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. The University of Birmingham developed quantum sensors using light atoms, measuring EMF with unprecedented precision and paving the way for portable brain monitoring devices. A 2025 study in Frontiers in Systems Neuroscience explored how ion channels in fruit fly neurons tune sensitivity to external EMFs, hinting that human brains might also sense external fields. These breakthroughs show that thought energy isn't just an internal process. It's a wave that can be captured and studied. The brain's EMF and its influence on the world now, for the exciting part. Can the brain's EMF affect the world around us? Physics offers the concept of resonance, when two objects vibrating at the same frequency amplify each other. Your EMF, though weak, about 1,000,000 times weaker than a fridge magnet, can potentially interact with others' fields or even objects. Journal of Neuroscience studies show that EMF strengthens during deep meditation or intense emotions. For instance, compassion meditation boosts gamma waves, doubling field strength to 10 femtoteslas. In group meditation experiments, participants' brain waves synchronize via EMF, creating a collective state of calm, known as neural synchronization. A 2025 Brain Research Bulletin study found that EMF can enhance flow states, boosting productivity and learning. A fascinating example is interpersonal synchronization. The Max Planck Institute discovered that the brain EMFs of romantic partners resonate, enhancing empathy. When you hold a loved one's hand, your fields sync, creating a physical basis for feeling connected. This explains why we sense others' energy. It's not mysticism, but EMF interaction. A 2025 PMC study introduced non-invasive sensors that measure EMF remotely in real time, potentially laying the groundwork for telepathic tech. What about ideas like the law of attraction? Science is skeptical, but there are intriguing clues. Quantum physics suggests the observer effect, where consciousness influences particle behavior, though scaling this to the macro world remains unproven. The Global Consciousness Project, GCP, started at Princeton in 1998, studied how collective thoughts affect random number generators, RNGs. During global events like 9/11 or major concerts, RNGs showed statistically significant deviations, suggesting that millions of synchronized emotions might create a coherent EMF impacting random processes. In 2025, GCP 2.0, partnered with HeartMath and the Institute of Noetic Sciences, reported 7 sigma anomalies, prompting scientists to explore the far-reaching effects of EMF. It's not proof of attracting events, but it hints that thoughts may extend beyond the body, the heart's role, and its connection to the brain. The brain isn't the only EMF generator. The heart produces a field 100 times stronger, extending 1 to 3 meters. Since 1991, the HeartMath Institute has studied heart-brain coherence, when heart and brain rhythms sync, amplifying EMF. In 2025, their research showed that emotions like gratitude or love enhance coherence, lowering cortisol and boosting cognition. In experiments, couples holding hands synchronize their EMFs, strengthening emotional bonds, a physical explanation for chemistry between people. HeartMath's Global Coherence Initiative involves thousands meditating together, measuring impacts on Earth's magnetic field. In October 2025, they're hosting a symposium in Greece with experts like Roland McCready to discuss how coherence can foster global harmony. Technologies in the future of thought energy tech is making thought energy tangible. Elon Musk's Neuralink leads the way. In 2024, patient Nolan Arbaugh played chess using only thoughts, and by 2025, multiple implants were performed. In June 2025, Neuralink launched GB Prime and Convoy trials, including speech restoration. Patients generate text or control Tesla robots with their minds. In July 2025, they implanted 2 patients in one day, and in October, a trial began for speech impairments. MIT predicts Neuralink will perform up to 8 implants by 2026, paving the way for telepathic interfaces. Other companies like Synchron are also advancing neural interfaces, letting paralyzed patients control devices via brain EMF. Controversial questions: thoughts, water, and crystals. Some ideas push beyond mainstream science. Masaru Emoto claimed thoughts affect water structure, but his experiments lack reproducibility. Yet a 2025 Journal of Structured Water study explores how EMF might alter water's molecular clusters, raising new questions. Crystals like quartz have a piezoelectric effect, generating electricity under pressure, potentially amplifying human EMF. While bioelectromagnetic studies remain inconclusive, research continues. How to amplify your thought energy. Practical tips. So how can you harness thought energy in daily life? Here are science-backed ways to boost your EMF and well-being. Meditation. Harvard studies show 20 minutes of daily meditation increases gamma waves and thickens the brain's cortex, enhancing EMF. Try loving kindness meditation. Visualize light radiating from your heart to boost field coherence. Start with 10 minutes, focusing on your breath and letting thoughts go. Breathing. Deep breathing, 5 seconds in, 5 out. Syncs heart and brain at 0.1 hertz, amplifying EMF per heart math. Practice this morning or before bed, imagining energy flowing through you. Gratitude. Keeping a gratitude journal, 3 points daily, reduces stress by 25% in a month, boosting serotonin and EMF coherence. Journal of Positive Psychology. Write down what you're thankful for, even small things. Music and sound. Frequencies like 432 hertz or binaural beats, 10 hertz difference between ears, enhance alpha waves, reducing anxiety. Tibetan singing bowls create vibrations that sync EMF, as shown by fMRI studies. Listen through headphones or place a bowl on your body for effect. Nature. Forest walks sync your brain with Earth's Schumann resonance, 7.83 hertz, improving cognition and lowering cortisol by 12%. Walk barefoot on grass to strengthen your Earth connection. Nutrition. Fresh fruits, nuts, and omega-3s, fish flaxseed oil, energize cells, boosting gamma waves, nutritional neuroscience. Avoid processed foods. They lower body pH, dampening EMF. Social synchronization. Surround yourself with positive people. Their EMF boosts yours. Avoid toxic relationships that disrupt coherence. Avoid electrosmog. Wi-Fi and devices may interfere with brain EMF, per bioelectromagnetic studies. Limit screen time and use airplane mode at night. What does this mean for us? Thought energy is no metaphor. It's a physical reality science is unraveling. In 2025, breakthroughs from Neuralink, HeartMath, and GCP show our thoughts are waves that extend beyond the body, interact with others, and possibly shape the world. This isn't the law of attraction, but a potential we're just beginning to grasp. Imagine, your thoughts are like radio waves, faint but capable of resonating with reality. How will you use them? Start small, meditate, breathe mindfully, practice gratitude, connect with nature, and surround yourself with uplifting people. Your thoughts are a tool for harmony, health, and a future where we might communicate without words. Thanks for watching to the end. This video is a real challenge to your imagination, and we hope it inspired you to see your thoughts in a new light. If you loved it, hit that like button, subscribe, and share your ideas in the comments. What practices do you use to amplify your mind's energy? Let us know, and let's keep this journey going together. See you soon. Think brightly, vibrate high, and shape your reality.